on earth have you boys been? Just look at you.
Studying nature?
Uh-huh. Well, while you were busy not watching your sister, she stuck herself with a thistle.
Sorry, Mom.
Burgers, coming right up.
No thanks, Dad. This'll do.
What the?
Now, where are you going?
Come and get it!
Look at him go!
Look! It finally happened. It's gonna be a nice colony.
Yeah.
So you love me, huh?
Quite a lesson for our anti-heroes, I'm so happy Rick and Teddy discovered that the insect world is a marvelous place. Oh, look! 2 bugs about to be joined in matrimony. From the moment he first spied her, he wanted to make that girl his happily wedded wife. Uh-oh, there's a fly in the ointment. Marrying a Black Widow could make things a bit sticky. Oh dear, pardon me if I seem a little antsy, but my little friends are being antisocial. But then again, why make a mountain out of an anthill? Remember, don't step on the ant.